This is Raven's horse Bug, and this was recorded a couple days before we left to go to the show in West Monroe. The week before we leave to go to a show, we always limit a horse's turnout just to lessen the chances of them pulling a shoe. And this was kind of funny because you could tell Bug wanted out. That gate where she just pawed, that goes out to the pasture where she is normally turned out. And she eventually escapes out here. There's one gate that's not latched. She knows where the gates are. We're going to watch. That's the gate out to her pasture, and she just rattled the chain on it. That gate is not latched. That's the gate she's going to end up going out of. She just stopped and looked at it. That gate goes out to my big arena. She's been through all these gates plenty times. She knows the gates. She knows where they are. She knows where they'll get her to. She's thinking. See her turn her head back to the right? She's looking at the gate that don't have the chain on it. Now she's walking back to this gate over here. That's the gate that goes out to the back pasture where the cows are, but she can see her buddies in her pasture right there. That don't really get her to that pasture, but she can see them. Stop at that gate again. Look at that gate again. Back to this gate again. She's thinking. You can see her wheels turning in her head. Look at that gate. She knows that gate don't have a chain on it. Look up. And then back over to this side. Back over to that gate. That's the gate she goes in and out of the most, because that's the gate. That's the gate to her turnout. She's getting more determined. I think what she's doing here, she's kind of ruling out which gate. Right there, she's looking at her buddies in her pasture. Now back to this gate. This is the gate that don't have a chain on it. It's not chained shut. She just pushed it open with her nose at the bottom. It's not open very wide though. Watch how she goes through. Taking her time so she don't hit it. This is a smart horse, and there she goes. She didn't get to where she wanted to go, but she thinks she got somewhere and she's happy.